Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check balance sheet and data version of eFootball 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner. They are still new into this game and how you can challenge the event, completing the mission so you can get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started by tapping the extras and tap the support and tap the service and info. In the service and info menu, you can tap this balance sheet in case you are make a purchasing or in-game purchase. You can check in this option. And for example, this is login bonus history, gift from admin, and many more. And you can check completed purchase here, general contact, or even delete user ID. And you also can check data version of this game. This is the newest update 3.1.0 and live update, and you can see this is the number of data version. This is the newest one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.